After that, go to this tab which says create Windows installation media. Okay, tool now, and I will give you the separate video. You can see here, this is the tool, media creation tool, and by which you can make the ISO file. So let me show you the video. This is the video. Okay, you can see here the all the details are in this video and all the ISO making process. You will see here two methods to download and make the pen drive bootable, and the second software we will talk about it, Rufus. Okay, just need to type Rufus, you can see here, and then go to download option, this option, and download the latest Rufus. Okay, watch this video. I'm going to give you this into my description box. This is a video to making the bootable pen drive. Okay, so once you made the bootable pen drive, you should see the your pen drive like this. This is the my pen drive, ISO ESD, and its sign is, you can see here, and there are files as well. Setup and sources support, all the files are here. So we are going to install the Windows 10 in other computer and other laptop. So let me close this, and I'm making with video this with my phone. Okay, so let me close this. So this is my pen drive as I have shown you. Okay, this one, and I'm going to eject this. Okay, and I'm going to remove this, you can see here, and we are going to install the Windows 10 on this laptop, the second laptop. So this is my pen drive, and I'm going to insert it. Okay, I have insert my pen drive into the new laptop, you can see here, and I need to on it. So in order to install Windows, you need to boot from the pen drive. For that you need to have knowledge what is the boot key on your laptop. In Dell laptop it is F12, the boot key is F12, and in HP laptop it is F10. In the other laptop you can search on Google what is the boot key. So let me turn it on my system, and I continuously hitting F12, you can see here. Okay, and the boot order, you need to make sure that you choose here the pen drive. You can see here, first one is hard drive, second one is UEFI SanDisk. Okay, once you select this option, you need to hit enter. The pen drive is selected now, and in the other system you can modify it with the down arrow key and up arrow key. Make sure the priority boot is USB. Okay, and after that hit enter. Okay, so Windows 10 is loading now. You need to leave it as default and click on next option. Okay, click on next option. After that click on install now. Let's wait. Okay, you will see the page like this. You need to click on this option which says I don't have a product key. Click on this option, or you can put the Microsoft product key, but we will install it later. So I'm clicking on here, I don't have a product key, and you can see here you can choose your version. We are going to download Windows 10 Pro, but method will be same for all, like Windows 10 Home and Education and all. Click on next option when the Pro is selected. Next. After the accept license terms, click on next, and after that click on this option, custom install Windows on. After that you need to delete all the partitions here. So choose first one and then click on delete, and it should be unallocated here. Click on OK button here, then select other partition and delete this as well. like this. Okay, and the third one, delete it also. And now one unallocated space, you need to click on next option, and Windows is going to download now. Now you will see the copying Windows files for installation. So leave it, it will automatically install it and your system will automatically restart. Once the installation is, all the files are downloaded here, you can remove the pen drive. Sometimes it is, the pop-up will say restart your system. You need to take out the pen drive, because in many systems, take out the pen drive, many system, it will automatically reinstall Windows again and again. So it is safe to remove the pen drive here. Okay, then after that it will, you will see after that, just a moment. So I'm fast forwarding this video in order to save your time. Now here is your work. You need to select your country here. I'm selecting here India. I'm dragging it to up and selecting here the India. Here is India, and select your region here. Click on yes option after that. Just a moment. Again select the keyboard layout. I'm selecting English India here. You can choose whatever your country and language. Click on yes and skip this option. Just a moment, you will see after that. Let's connect to your network. So don't connect to internet right now. Click on this option which says I don't have internet. Okay, and again you will see the setup like this. Continue with limited setup. Okay, otherwise it will redirect to the Microsoft account. So put here who is going to use the username. I'm selecting here user. Click on next. You can leave it without the password, but I'm putting here the password. So let me put here the password. Click on next, and you need to reconfirm it. Click on next, and there are 3 questions, security questions. So you can choose whatever you like. I'm clicking on test. Second answer, you need to choose here 3 answers. Nickname, whatever you like. Next. The last question you need to select. Click on next. Okay, now just a moment, you will see again. Now choose the privacy setting here. I'm turning off the location. Okay, and find my device, this option as well. Inking and typing, this option as well, and advertising ID, and do the same setting. Since in many system you will need to upgrade into Windows 10. So click on accept after that. Cortana, so not now. Now we are almost done. Hi, we are getting everything ready for you, and our window is almost, installation is done. This might take several minutes. You don't need to do anything here, just leave it. It will automatically set up you and directly log into Windows. Leave everything to us. Now you can see the Windows 10 installation has been done. So this is how you can install Windows 10 on your PC. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.